Dear friends, I am Rupesh Gaur, librarian in Indira Gandhi National College, Ladwa, Kurukshetra in Haryana. In this lecture, we will discuss about Koha library automation software, its features, Koha library system overview, Koha software requirements, Koha module, members module, cataloging modules, circulation modules, serial periodical modules, acquisitions modules, Koha personalizations, Koha operating parameters, Koha resources, etc. Koha is full-featured integrated library management software. There is no cost for license. You have the freedoms to modify the product, adapt it to your needs. Koha is developed initially in New Zealand by Katipo Communications with Horohanwa Library Trust. It is currently maintained by dedicated teams of the software providers and library technology staff from around the globe. Koha is basically adopt the customer in Koha. The customer became the joint owners of the product. In particularly, customer can freely install new versions and also can take part in the development of the software itself. Koha features. Koha is full-feature modern integrated library software. Koha is award-winning, freely open source software. There is no license fees required to install this software. Operating system independence. Koha is installed in any software like Linux, Unix, Mac, Windows, etc. Web-based interface are in Koha. Koha complies all standards like Mark 21, Unimark support, professional cataloging, multilingual and multi-user supports also available in Koha. Library standard complaints, industrial standards protocols are also applied in Koha. Z39 server protocols are also integrated in Koha software. Customizable web-based OPEC, circulation system, online reservation, full catalog, circulation, acquisition, library management, stock management, web-based OPEC, public to search catalogs, major industries, standard database type, text RDBMS, MySQL, serial management modules are also in Koha. We can print barcode through using Koha. Data can export and import in Koha also. In the previous slide, we will discuss about open source software of Koha. Koha is a library management system. Integrated library management system is an enterprise resource planning system for library used to track item owned, order, bill paid and patrons who have borrowed books. And open source library management system is available for use as free with its source code made available and license with a license in which the copyright holders provide the rights to study, change, distribute the software to anyone for this purpose. Now we are talking about the software requirement for Koha installation. Basically, we need some prerequisite software before installing Koha. Like, firstly, we should choose the operating system. Uh, Basically, Linux Operating system is very much conducive for Koha installation. Any flavor of Linux like Ubuntu, Fedora, we can install Koha, then MySQL, Apache Web Server, HP, Perl, and then application of Koha software. Basically, these five software is required for Koha installation. Then Koha server software from downloaded from this websites, and skills requirement to operate Koha system. Koha interface are designed with usability in mind, are extremely very much user friendly. Koha staff and the patrons with only basic computer skills have quickly learned to use the Koha system. The cataloging modules require an understanding of cataloging practice with such Mark, Z39 protocol, retrieval tools, how to add holding information, etc. Administration should know operating system like Linux for maintaining some knowledge of cataloging in settings of the system preferences, etc. Thank you very much for watching this video.